What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 239. We're up about 5.8 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 71.79 billion. 24-hour volume 5.18 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives depending on the level of card you have, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So Sol came down to two of our buy zones. We had our take profit zone up at 217. So if you dollar cost averaged in, your average price was right around 183. That was a nice little trade opportunity. If you only sold 50% and then all the way up to the current price is about a 34% trade. And if you traded our ascending triangle, broke out, met its target, and that was a trade of about 12%. Currently, we've broken out of a bull flag pattern. Now we are getting quite overextended, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to the EMA, see a little bit of correction. So what you would do is reset all your buy zones here. So I'm just gonna do it quickly. So I would definitely put a buy zone at 217, and then I would probably skip this level of support here, and I would keep these buy zones the same. So if it comes back down to 217, you get triggered into your trade. If we were to see a harsher correction, you're always prepared for the drop. You get more equity into your trade and you ride the slingshot back up. All right, guys, we do have a take profit zone up here as well, a 258, which is the technical target from this bull flag pattern, as well as the 1.272. But we are seeing a little bit of sell-off with Bitcoin. It's fallen back into its descending broadening wedge. It's lost the support here of this symmetrical triangle. So if we continue to sell off, of course, it will pull Solana down with it. Now, I quickly want to show you guys Sol here on the daily. We may be coming close to our bull run top here for Solana. If we use Elliott wave theory from the beginning of our bull run, 5 impulsive waves followed by your ABC correction. You can see here impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, your largest wave, corrective wave 4, and we've already made it all the way up to the 2.272, which is Sol's target here on the bull run. Now, it doesn't mean that it can't trend higher here. If we look at our 5 waves within our impulsive wave 5, you can see here wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 got quite overextended, which in my opinion shows a lot of strength for the bulls here. We had our corrective wave, so wave 5 could bring us up here to 347. And if we see a large blow off top for Sol, that's when you can come all the way up to the 3 extension here, which is coming in at about $539. But I would be cautious here, guys, just due to the fact that we've met our targets. We've met the 2, we've met the 2.272. So we may be in store for a little bit of correction here, possibly down to the 2, and then see continuation up to these price targets. It is only the beginning of November, so I would expect to see Sol to see some more gains here up to the 2.618 at least. But for many coins on this bull run, your target is the 2.272 at 237, which Sol has already reached. So just something to keep in mind, in my opinion. All right, guys, so we'll finish off the video here with Sol. If we do roll over, do watch 217, which was the previous all-time high. We came up, we hit it as resistance, we found support, we broke through it once again, and we haven't back tested it as support. So we could definitely roll over, back test it as support, and then see continuation. That's why I've entered my buy zone here at 217. However, guys, if we continue to trend higher, do target 258. I'm sure you would find some resistance at that level as we are getting overextended here. And then you have the 1.414 for Solana coming in at 282. And our target from our larger bull flag pattern coming in at 290 for Solana. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. We're talking all things crypto. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, whether you're going long or you're going short. So if you want to join, it's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.